telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Welcome back to a new video, guys. Now, today we're going to be fitting the 1M bumper to the BMW 1 Series. The 1 Series is here, and we are at Hannah's mum's house. Now, Hannah had to take the car for the weekend up to her mum's house because she's got away with her mum for the weekend. So that means we were BMW less. So we wanted to fit the 1M bumper this weekend, and I'm not going to let you guys down. So we drove up to Lincolnshire to fit the 1M bumper. It's obviously in the back of the TT now. In the last video we obviously attempted to repair it. If you haven't saw the video, click in the top right hand corner now. I think we'll probably get it professionally repaired. Once I put it on the car, I can then drop the car off down to my guys who did some work on the TT a while back as well, and then we could get it professionally repaired, because it's not quite really where I want it, and I don't think it's going to cost much to get it where I want it. I think let's just get straight into it. Now, these are the fog lights. I had to buy these separately. They're only like 30 quid off eBay, and I'm sure they're the right ones. Can't see why they won't be the right ones. Right, let's get to the 1 Series now and let's just start fitting. I think I need to get changed first. So this should be quite easy, but I don't want to jinx it. I pretty much had the bumper off before. There was just a lot of 8mm. We've got all these Torx heads around the top. I think about 3 8mm on the side, about 40,000 8mm underneath, and then the bumper actually comes off. Then we need to take the fog lights out, and the problem that we're going to have today is that we don't have any holes for the parking sensors on the new bumper. That's something we may do later, I don't know. I don't really want to ruin the bumper with like a parking sensor. It looks quite flush without the sensors on at the minute, but we can disable them. We can disable the front parking sensors using the Carly device thing, which we used in one of the previous videos, which is in the top right hand corner now, but I'll show you that later on in the video. As for now, I'm just going to crack on with getting this bumper off, because I think we've literally got about an hour to do this, because we've got places to be, things to do, people to see. Let's just get on with it. Definitely. It was an 8mm. A lot of you probably don't have double garages or don't have ramps or anything like that. And I like to show you that it is possible to do this stuff on your driveway at home. And it sort of inspires you to go out and do it and go out and try, because I think you don't learn unless you actually try it yourself. Like if you just pay people to do it at a garage, you'll literally never learn to do it yourself. So I think giving it a go is always the best thing you can do. So, other than the headlight on that side, which I found out I didn't really need to do, well, I don't think I did need to do it, because all you actually need to do is get it to about here, and this little cover, there we go, should be able to just pop it out. On that side, I bloody took the light out and everything because I couldn't get it out. No, it should all come off now. I've done the 40,000 bolts underneath, I've undone all of them, and this is all should, famous last words, come out if I've disconnected everything. Is there anything else holding it in? There's got to be. I've missed one of those 40,000 bolts. Fog lights are out. Bumpers off. Nice. I'm going to put the headlight back in first. All these parking sensors I'm going to turn off using the Carly app. In here we have the fog lights. We just got to mount them to the back there, and then we can plug them all in. So let's get on with that. Okay, so it's finally, we're sort of rushing this, and I hate rushing it. We literally have an hour. It's time to get the 1M lined up on here. Let's do it. That is looking crazy. Oh my god, it is. It's a close fit, and there's a few little bits we need to move around just to get it perfect. But we could probably do that in another video. But let's just get it on now. So when Hannah comes back, she's actually got a car that she can drive home in. But let's just get all the bolts in, get it all back, and yeah, we should be looking really, really good. Let's do it. Now, as always with a lot of these things, it looks like the mud flap is going to be in the way of doing the bolt up from underneath, but we'll find out. Look, you can see this is actually poking out a bit. I'm hoping the wheel doesn't catch on that, but we'll soon find out. We might have to just shear a bit off or something, but yeah, it's looking good at the minute. Okay, and the final product is about to go in now. The 2 kidney grills. Obviously the full car needs a clean. This has been such a rush video so far, but I still need to show you guys how to turn off the parking sensors on the front, because I think that's what we will do. I don't want to ruin it with drilling holes in the front. Hannah's probably going to have a go at me because she loves the parking sensors, but parking sensors are for people that can't drive. I'm sorry if you're offended. Let's put these in. If you've got this far in the video, guys, make sure you have clicked subscribe. I'm really sorry this is a rush video and like the sort of filming hasn't been that great, but I wanted to get it done for you guys. Right. Oh, I forgot to tighten these bolts up on the top. 1 in, 2 in. Let's tighten those up. That'll be a good idea. Guys, it is looking sick. Look at the difference that has made. It actually looks so good. I mean, this is only like the runaround car, but it's beginning to look better than the TT. And as for the TT videos as well, I know you guys have been wondering what's going on. Are you getting a C63? Are you getting an RS4? Well, guys, at the minute, obviously you guys know I invest in property and things like that. We just finished the 3rd property. I've just finished the 3rd property, got it rented out, and I'm just in the process of buying another one. I don't know if you guys are interested in any of this. If you are, tell me in the comments below, but if you are, I will do a video on it. But I'm just waiting for the next property to go through and the money to leave my account before I go and get another project car. But as for now, the BMW is still in the mix, and we're still doing bits on it, and there's a lot more we're going to be doing on this BMW. But this 1M bumper is looking so sick. I'm so happy with it. That is looking so much more aggressive. Look at it, it's so sick. That is so sick. It looks so much better. I'm gonna pack up and away now, but very happy with that. Old bumpers over there. Let's get it all packed away. Let's make a move, and I'll see you in the next clip. And we're back. So I'm having to do this just before work. It's the only bit of time I get when the sun's out and I can actually film when it's not being completely pitch black. So obviously the car behind me now is looking good. All I've got to do is cancel the front parking sensors off the front, which I will do using the Carly device. I'm not going to go into detail because I've already done that in one of the previous videos, which is in the top right hand corner now. But I will leave the link in the description if you are interested in one of the Carly devices. But obviously it just connects into your OBD port and then connects to your phone, and my phone obviously being wrapped in an EasySkinz, which obviously sponsor the full channel. So if you are interested again in an EasySkinz where you can wrap your phone in any sort of design, mine's still wrapped in the carbon because I quite like it at the minute, but they have sent me a few sort of, I think, Christmassy coloured wraps, which I will do in the next video. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video fitting the 1M bumper to the BMW. Make sure you have clicked subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video where I think we'll be doing a full clean and having a sort of disc and brake clean up and maybe a colour change of the calipers. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.